Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. It's your girl TJ. I'm back with another video. I just spit it like all over the place. I'm back with another video for you guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how I installed this wig, because girl, this is looking like it's my natural hair, and I love curly hair because this is actually the texture or the curl pattern of my natural hair. So this is what I would look like if I had some length. So once my hair grows and you know, comes thicker, it should resemble this. But I really enjoyed doing this video. However, I did start off using the stocking cap method, but I ended up taking that off because it was just too much. Like, I just wanted to try the method out, but I just took it off and just did it how I normally do it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you won't miss any other upload from myself. I do have a Snapchat and I have an Instagram as well, so if you would like to scan these codes, it will take you directly to my page where you can follow me. So yeah, without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Alright guys, today we're starting off with white wigs. This is what the hair comes in. This is the cute drawstring bag. I thought it was the cutest. So yeah, this is what the hair looks like inside the package. It comes in its each individual wrap package along with a hairnet. It does come with a weaving cap as well, but I just use that. It's like a wig cap to me. So this is what all three bundles look like together. I have the Peruvian Kinky Curly Hair. 3 bundles, 20, 22, 24 with a 16-inch frontal. I ended up cutting the longer bundle because it just didn't match. I feel like 2 of them was the same length, to be honest, but you know. So yeah, this is the frontal. The lace knots are not bleached and the lace is not tinted. I did notice that the curl pattern from the frontal does match the bundle, so that was a plus. Now I'm going on with the stocking cap method to put on my wig. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I do end up taking it off because I cut too much of the lace of the cap off, and it just didn't match where I wanted to place it, so I just snatched it off. You really can't tell. I do have an in-depth tutorial on this, so if this is your first time coming to my channel and you want to know how I do it, because I'm not going to explain it on this video, I will leave it in the description section below, and I will also have it in this video as well, so you can check that out. It should be a little eye icon that pops up in either left or right hand top section of the video, and you can click it and it's going to take you there, and I'll walk you through the steps on what I do to put it on this way. But like I said, yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch the video because it's more like a hair transformation video. I just want you guys to watch. I don't want you guys to get distracted. So yeah, overall with the hair, I noticed that being that it's kinky curly, you do have to do a little bit more detangling when I was doing the curly hair method. So that's probably the one thing that I know about curly hair in general is high maintenance. So with this texture of hair though, you do have to make sure you detangle it thoroughly. Yeah, that's about it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Make sure you always remember that you only live one life, sis, so make it a great one. Bye, guys.